how to use a Xumo Spectrum Remote. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how or provide you the actual manual for your Xumo Spectrum Remote. Now the very first thing that you want to have to look for is to make sure that you have the correct make and model of the Xumo Spectrum Remote control that you have so that you will know if it is compatible with your Streambox. So, it always comes with a manual like on this one. However, if your Sumo Spectrum remote control does not include a manual, then you have to know whether you're using the Hisense, the Element, Pioneer, or from the Streambox itself. Once you found it out, this is actually the specific general remote control of Sumo, which has a quick access menu, volume up and down, the guide navigation pad, the select keys, the back, the add or remove from my list button, the voice search, and accessibility settings shortcut. Now, to sum up everything, Sumo remote control for Spectrum is actually a voice command powered remote control. So again, make sure to take note of the manual that you have so that you can get it connected into your Streambox. And that's how you use Spectrum Sumo Remote.